Cleaning and cleaning materials. Cleaning is the most important and primary aspect of housekeeping. Cleaning involves sweeping floors, dusting furniture and other surfaces, mopping or washing floors, polishing surfaces, articles and accessories. Cleaning involves scrubbing tiles, sinks, toilets, disinfecting drains, rearranging cleaned areas and putting things in their specific place. Dust refers to the loose particles which are very easily moved by air and settled on any surface. It is easily removed with the help of a dry cloth. Dirt refers to dust which sticks to any surface with the help of moisture or grease. It is more difficult to remove and is done with a detergent or any other cleaning agent. Now let's study methods of cleaning. Dusting, wiping a surface which carries the loose dust with a piece of dry cloth. Next method, shaking and beating. Shaking or beating any soft material so that the dust falls out like a carpet rug or a curtain, done mostly in open air so that other things do not get dusty. Sweeping, when a broom or a brush is used to carry the dust laterally along the room. While sweeping any vertical surface as walls, one should start from the top and sweep downwards. For lateral sweeping, as for floors, start from one end of the room and move to another, preferably a door, and carry the dust all along or collect in a dust pan. Wiping, a surface with a damp cloth known as mop is called mopping. In this process, both the dust as well as easily removable dirt is also removed. Mopping is mostly done on floors. When mopping alone is not sufficient to remove dirt, then such surfaces are scrubbed with the help of a yard, bamboo broom along with a plenty of water to loosen the dirt and which is finally carried off by water. Polishing, when some reagent polish is rubbed on a surface to bring out the shine. Similarly, many other articles, decorative items made of brass, wood, marble, etc. may be polished. Now let's study about cleaning materials. The various cleaning materials are water, detergents, abrasives, acids, alkalis, bleaches, solvents and polishes. Water is the simplest reagent available to us for cleaning. Some dirt may be loosened and dissolved in it. Detergents are available in powder, solid like soap, soap flakes, etc. and liquid form and used with water to clean various surfaces. The basic ingredients in a detergent are surface active agents known as surfactants. It can have more ingredients like alkaline salts, bleaches, foam boosters, germicides and perfumes. Abrasives are sand, finely powdered brick, sawdust, wheat bran, emery paper, fine ash, filtered chalk, etc. Besides these, steel wool, nylon mesh, coconut fibers are also used to scrub dirt. Their use depends on the surface to be cleaned and the type of dirt to be removed. Acids. Strong acids are used to clean toilets, water closet and sinks and are available in crystals or liquid form. Milder form of acids are also used to clean very dirty tiles and should be rinsed off as soon as possible after use. Vinegar and lemon are used to clean stains on metals like brass and copper. Alkalis, baking soda and ammonia are used as grease, emulsifiers and stain removing agents. Bleaches. Stains on fabrics are removed by bleaches such as sodium hypochlorite, sodium perborate, hydrogen peroxide, sodium hydrosulfide, etc. Solvents such as methylated spirit, carbon tetrachloride, kerosene, petrol, etc. are used to remove grease, wax and other stains from the surfaces. Polishes used on surfaces such as floors, furniture, leather and even metals. When rubbed on a surface, they provide a protective covering to the surface and produce shine while cleaning it. Furniture cream. The ingredients are beeswax 50 gram, turpentine 30 ml. The method for making it: shred wax and put it in a pan and cover with turpentine. Heat in a double boiler till wax melts. Cool and allow it to set. The use for it: it's used to polish light color furniture. Furniture polish. Ingredients: linseed oil 50 gram, turpentine 30 ml, vinegar 30 ml, methylated spirit 30 ml. Method: mix all ingredients together in a clean bottle and store. The use for this is: this can be applied on furniture with a pad of old cloth. Metal polish. Ingredients are soap 2 tablespoons, ammonia 1 tablespoon, boiling water 2.5 cup, bath brick 50. The method: dissolve soap in boiling water, mix with the bath brick and ammonia, cool and store in an airtight bottle. Use: shake well before use, soak soft toweling in the mixture, let it drip dry, wipe and rub with this toweling now. Copper cleaner. Ingredients are fine sand 4 teaspoon, flour 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Method: mix all ingredients and keep in a jar. Moisten a small amount of above mixture to a paste by using equal amounts of vinegar and water. The use is: rub well into brass or copper surfaces to remove stains. Now let's study cleaning equipments and materials in home. The different cleaning equipments are dusters, dustpans, mops, polishing cloth, brooms, brushes, buckets or basins, dustbins, vacuum cleaner. Dustpans are made of either plastic or metal and have flat surfaces rounded at the sides. After sweeping, dirt and dust is collected directly into these with the help of a broom and carried to a dustbin. Dusters are made of soft cotton, flannel or artificial feathers mounted on a stick to clean loose dust and are also used for wiping various surfaces. Separate dusters to be used for dusting dining table, mirrors, kitchen slabs, etc. They should be washed and dried after use. Mops are mostly made of thick, loosely woven cotton cloth used to wipe dust from the floors, which are dipped in clean water and squeezed before wiping the floors. Polishing cloth. These are made of soft absorbent cloth such as flannel. Dry polishing cloth helps to clean and shine the polished surfaces by rubbing them vigorously. Brooms are either soft or hard. The soft ones are used to sweep the floors, whereas the hard ones, yard broom, are used to wash the floors. Brushes are used for specific jobs. Brushes with nylon or plastic bristles are used for cleaning carpets or furniture. Round feather brushes are used to remove cobwebs. Metal brushes are used to clean wire mesh in the windows. Buckets or basins. Metal or plastic buckets, basins of suitable sizes, are used to carry water, detergents and chemicals so that there are no spills. Dustbins are available in plastic with a lid. These should be lined with paper so that the garbage does not stick to the surface and need to be washed daily. Vacuum cleaner works on electricity and has a fan. This sucks in the dirt and dust from the surfaces and stores it in a disposable bag inside, which should be emptied regularly. Now let's study about schedule of cleaning. Schedule of cleaning done on 3 types: daily clean, a general cleaning done every day, a weekly clean, more thorough cleaning done periodically, a spring clean usually done once a year or when needed. Procedure for cleaning a room. Once you enter the room, open all windows to let the fresh air come. Remove all unwanted articles like the teacups, etc., and empty ashtrays and dustbins. Sweep the floor, dust all surfaces including furniture and fixtures, brush or vacuum clean the carpet, mop the whole area, then replace linen wherever required, like in a bedroom, make the bed, in a restaurant, cover the tables, in bathrooms, check for towels, soaps, etc. Finally, adjust windows, do a general survey to see that everything is in order and to your satisfaction. Procedure for cleaning kitchen. Collect all used utensils from the counters, wipe and clean the gas stove, electrical appliances and the counters. Wash all utensils, sweep the floor, mop or wash the kitchen with a mild disinfectant. General procedure for weekly cleaning. Start in the open, all the windows for fresh air. Remove all unwanted articles like trays, teacups, bottles, etc. Empty the ashtray and dustbins. Remove all dirty linen. Remove stains from walls, doors, windows and furniture. Check and clean thoroughly that all the drawers, wipe, dust or polish table lamps, accessories, telephone if needed. Vacuum clean the carpets and other upholstery. If vacuum cleaner is not available, use a brush. Sweep, dust and mop the surfaces. Replace linen with the clean linen. Survey the room for any discrepancy and adjust windows as desired. Weekly kitchen cleaning. Empty out the shelves, clean the jars and bins, change the newspapers, rearrange the cupboards, then clean the sunmica on the cupboard door panels with a wet cloth and clean the tiles. Procedure for spring cleaning. Ventilate the room, take off all linen including curtains and remove them from the room. Remove all the movable articles including lampshades, pictures, wall hanging, etc. Wipe and clean everything. If necessary, remove all furniture and furnishings from the room. At least remove soft furnishing like carpets, clean the cobwebs. Sweep the floors, do the required maintenance work, polish the furniture, decorative articles, clean carpets thoroughly in the sun or send for dry cleaning, relay it. Replace everything at the predetermined place including all furniture and fixtures. Rearrange the heavy furniture to give a new look. Dust and mop, adjust windows, survey the room to your satisfaction. Spring cleaning for kitchen. Empty out the kitchen, spread the pulses, spices, etc. out in the sun. Then clean the cobwebs, clean exhaust fan and light switches. Clean tiles with detergents. Spray insecticides in corners. Wash kitchen counters with hot soapy solution and if needed polish them. Wipe stains on cupboards doors. Tighten any loose screws. Replace newspaper lining in cupboards. Label and arrange all boxes back in place. Wash the floor.
Hello students, today we are here to show you how you can clean the utensils and various other articles made up of metals and other alloys. Myself Manisha and she is Pooja. We both are going to show you how you can clean the utensil at your home and at a very cost effective manner. We have this dusting towel, this microfiber towel and this is the plain towel for soaking purpose. And we also have got the tissue papers like for cleaning the sensitive and shiny articles like your glass and plastics, and we have got the sponge bar and the Scotch Brite as well.
Corn flour is used to remove the grease from the utensil. Tamarind, salt and vinegar are used to remove gleam from brass or copper articles. Similarly, salt is used for removing the hard stain removals from the articles.
and we have got, this is what, this is the soda or the washing soda. So that you use if there is some utensil that we use for making food, like for cooking, and if it got burned. So for cleaning the burn scratches from the utensil, we use the soda water. We just place some soda water, dry soda powder on the utensil and keep it like that for some time, and afterwards we clean it with a regular procedure and the burn marks will easily swipe out. So we will first begin our cleaning procedure, and we will first start with the cleaning of a copper utensil. So we have this is the cooking utensil and it is made up of copper. So we will start cleaning it. You can see the dark black patches and a very dark red tarnish over the surface of the metal. So we have to clean it by using certain materials that we have at our disposal, that is, we have the tamarind,
salt
and the vinegar. So these are the three chemicals or three materials by which we can clean the tarnish on the surface of the copper utensil. So first what we do, you need to take out the tamarind. A small amount of tamarind would be sufficient for this size of utensil, and with the tamarind you have to soak it in the water for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you will take out the liquid, and then you have to take a little hard abrasive or a steel wool maybe, and you have to just rub it like this uniformly, anti-clockwise and then the clockwise, whichever way you like. You have to rub it like this, and you will see that the dark red tarnish will start coming out. Like slowly and steadily you have to do over the entire area, and wherever these are the edges or the curves where you feel that your steel wool or your Scotch-Brite cannot go inside and cannot function effectively, or the edges over here. So you can use the old toothbrush, right? You can use the brushes
soap or detergent for the loops which is not available for your cleaning. You can use toothbrush for the cleaning.
Right, yeah. So likewise you can clean the entire article for the copper, and the same procedure you have to follow for cleaning the brass utensil also. You must have seen these brass utensils at your nanny's place or at your mother's place. Like earlier they were like used in every cooking, but now
it has been replaced with steel materials, steel utensils.
So for cleaning the brass article, you can see this black marks. So we will follow the same procedure. We will take the tamarind soaked in the water, and then we will do it like this in a clockwise direction and then in a anti-clockwise direction. With the circular motion, we will try to swipe out all the tarnish or the dirt material which is present in it, and same we will do for the entire thing. And we will keep it for some time, like 5 to 10 minutes we will keep it like this, and then with the warm water and we will take the normal detergent and we will clean the whole utensil. And if you are having decorative brass articles, so there is one more thing that you can use to add to the shine, that is brasso.
Never use brasso for the eating or utensil cooking items, as it contains poisonous substance.
Yeah, and it can contaminate the utensil. So not to brasso if you are using the cooking utensil. And now Pooja will tell you how you have to clean plastics and glass.
We need soft materials for the cleaning of the glass. So for this we require tissue paper or newspaper, which can be soaked with water, and you can evenly just rub the tissue paper across the glass or the material, so that there will be no abrasions or scratches on the surface. For giving it a shine, you can use water and adding vinegar to the water, and you can rinse the glass article in the vinegar water for a time, and then you can get a good article from it.
And the same procedure we are going to apply for cleaning the plastic as well. And you don't have to use very hard abrasive for cleaning glass and plastic also, because if you use a very hard abrasive, like we have use in cleaning the copper utensil like the steel wool, it will leave the
scratch.
marks.
It will create a scratch over the
Yes,
surface.
yes, it will make the marks over the surface. So what you have to do, you have to be very gentle with the soft material like the glass and the plastic. You have to follow the same procedure that you have followed for the glass cleaning. Like what you do, you will just take the Scotch-Brite or the sponge, you will clean it with the Vim or detergent that we usually use at our home place. You will just clean it, and with the sponge you can, very gently make it dry and remove the other patches, and then by using this tissue you can further remove the watermark, right, and rub it till it gets completely dry. In case you have found very hard marks or very rigid marks on the surface of the plastic metal, then what you can use this vinegar or kerosene and take a very small drop of the vinegar and then just rub it like this. Similarly, you will rub it like this, and from the sponge bar you will just wipe it off and keep it for dry and keep it like this for some time, and then you will wash it with the regular soap and water, so that the hard mark will permanently get removed. So what articles we have covered here? The copper, the brass, the glass and the plastic. Thank you.